Hello, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be making a facial mask, a very refreshing facial mask that will not only hydrate the skin but will also help to lift, tighten and firm the skin. This is a creamy mask, however it does not contain any form of milk or yogurt, making it ideal for vegan and vegetarian subscribers. Now this mask is also great for those of you with sagging neck, wrinkle on the neck. So if you're looking for a facial mask that's going to tighten, firm, reduce wrinkles while hydrating the skin, follow me to the kitchen. We're going to whip it up really quick, and then I'm going to share some tips on how to get the best result from using this mask. For this recipe, you're going to need a grater. You're also going to need a strainer. Today we're going to be using potato, and we're using potato for its skin tightening properties. When you peel and juice the potato, you're going to get the liquid, and when you let that liquid settle, you're going to get potato starch, and that is what's going to help to tighten and firm the skin. So let's prepare the potato right now. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to wash and peel, removing the outer peel. Now that we have our peeled potato, the next thing we are going to do, we're going to grate. Now let's grate. So now let's reach for our strainer, and we're going to pour our grated potato in the strainer. Clean hands, we're extracting the juice, so just squeeze. Now take a look. Here we have our potato juice, and what we're going to do, we're going to put this aside to settle. So we're going to set it aside for about half an hour or so, because all we need from this is the potato starch. While this is settling, let's introduce the rest of the ingredient. My second ingredient is oatmeal, and oatmeal also have skin tightening properties. The way to use the oatmeal is to blend to a powder, and here I already have some blended oatmeal. So place your oatmeal about a quarter cup in the blender and blend to a powder. And now let's move on to our next ingredient. My next ingredient is honey, and honey is a humectant which will lock that moisture in the skin, hydrates the skin and help to keep your skin looking fresher. Honey also contains antibacterial properties, making it great for acne prone skin. Now let's reach for our bowl. We're using 1 tablespoon of the oatmeal. Pour this in. Now before we move on, now here I have some rose water, and rose water is very hydrating to the skin. So what we're going to do first, we are going to make the oatmeal into a paste. So we're using about a teaspoon, and we're going to mix into a paste. Mix well. Once the oatmeal is mixed to a paste, we're going to reach for our honey. We're using about a half a teaspoon of honey for this in. Next, we're going to mix the honey in the oatmeal. So we're mixing oatmeal and honey. Mix well. Totally dissolve the honey in the oatmeal. Now once this is done, we're going to reach for our potato. And what we're going to do, we're going to pour the liquid off to reveal the starch, and take a look. Right there you can see the white, that's the potato starch. So slowly pour this off. Put this to the side. Now take a look. Here we have our potato starch. This is what it's look like. And as you can see how thick this is. So what we're going to do with this potato starch, we're going to reach for our oatmeal honey mixture, and we're going to pour this in. Make sure to get everything out. And this is about a teaspoon of potato starch. Now if you want to make more, double up on the potato. 2 potatoes will give you about a tablespoon. So blend that potato in. So here in our bowl, we have oatmeal, we have rose water, we have honey, and we have potato starch. Mix well. Now once this is done, this is what you're going to use to tighten the skin. Now to tighten the skin, it's ready to use right away. You're just going to apply it on your face, also your neck and décolleté. And you want to be generous with this. Apply it all over your skin, and this is a mask that's going to dry on the skin. Once your face is completely covered with the mask, you're going to let it sit for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you're going to rinse this off. You're going to pat dry the skin and apply your favorite skincare product. Now this mask is good for the face, the neck, and the décolleté. And guess what, guys? Use this up at least 2 to 3 times per week, and you're on your way to tighter, firmer looking skin. Not only that, because the potato contains catecholase, it also helps to clear pigmentation from the skin. This is good for oily skin. This is good for wrinkled skin, forehead wrinkles, upper lip wrinkles, even the parentheses. So use it up and give it time to work on the skin. Remember, always exfoliate, wash and exfoliate your skin at least 2 to 3 times per week, and then you use your facial mask. Store the leftover in your refrigerator for up to 7 days. So there you have it. A quick and easy, refreshing, hydrating facial mask. Give it a go, use it up, and then come back after a couple of weeks and leave a comment. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.